PropellerAds Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to PropellerAds are in the description. PropellerAds is a leading ad network known for its high-performance ad formats and massive global reach. It provides solutions for both advertisers and publishers, focusing on cost-effective traffic and maximizing revenue through automation and AI-driven optimization. Unlike traditional networks, PropellerAds specializes in alternative ad formats, including push notifications, pop-unders, native banners, and interstitial ads, making it a go-to platform for performance marketers. For advertisers, PropellerAds offers a self-serve platform with powerful targeting options, including geo, device, browser, and interest-based targeting. Their AI-based optimization automates campaign performance, ensuring advertisers reach the most relevant audiences at the lowest cost. They also support CPM, CPC, and CPA bidding models, making it flexible for different campaign goals. With a vast global inventory and a wide range of traffic sources, it's particularly effective for verticals like finance, e-commerce, gaming, and affiliate marketing. For publishers, PropellerAds provides multiple monetization options that work well for websites, blogs, and even mobile apps. Their pop-under ads, push notifications, and in-page push ads are among the most profitable ad types, especially for high-traffic sites. One key advantage is their low entry barrier, meaning even small publishers can monetize effectively. The platform also offers anti-ad block solutions, ensuring publishers don't lose revenue to users with ad blockers enabled. Payments are processed weekly via multiple payout methods, including PayPal, Payoneer, and wire transfer. A major strength of PropellerAds is its automation technology. Smart CPA and Smart CPC campaigns allow advertisers to optimize bids automatically based on performance data, reducing wasted spend. Their AI-based algorithms analyze user behavior in real time, ensuring ads are delivered to engaged audiences. Overall, PropellerAds is an excellent choice for both advertisers looking for cost-effective, high-converting traffic and publishers seeking to maximize earnings with alternative ad formats. It's particularly well-suited for affiliate marketers and businesses targeting emerging markets. If you want to get started with PropellerAds, check out the links in the description.